In this video, I will show you how to automatically save Microsoft Forms responses to an Excel file using Power Automate. Every time someone submits your form, the response will be added as a new row in your Excel file, so you never have to copy and paste data manually again. To follow along, you need a Microsoft form and an Excel file saved in your SharePoint documents library with a table inside it that has columns matching your form questions. In this example, I am using a training request form with 3 questions: description, department, and priority, and an Excel file called test Excel file with those same 3 columns as a table. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create a new flow in Power Automate. Go to Power Automate and click Create, then click Automated Cloud Flow. Give your flow a name, for example, Save Form Response to Excel. Then search for when a new response is submitted. Select that trigger and click Create. Step 2. Configure the trigger. In the trigger, set the form ID to your form. In this example, that is the training request form. Step 3. Add the Get Response Details action. Add a new action and search for Get Response Details under Microsoft Forms. Set the form ID to your form and set the response ID to the dynamic content from the trigger. This action retrieves the answers from the submitted form, so the description, department, and priority answers are available for the next step. Step 4. Add the Add a Row into a Table action. Add another action and search for Add a Row into a Table under Excel Online. Select your SharePoint site, then the Documents library, then the test Excel file, and finally the table inside it. Now map each column to the matching dynamic content from the Get Response Details action. In this example, map the description column to the description answer, the priority column to the priority answer, and the department column to the department answer. Step 5. Save and test the flow. Save your flow and do a test by submitting a response through your training request form. Go back to Power Automate to check if the flow ran successfully. Then open the test Excel file in SharePoint to confirm that the description, department, and priority values were saved correctly as a new row. You have now built a flow that automatically saves every training request form response as a new row in the test Excel file. No manual work needed. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.